Welcome back to Factful Finance. Let's talk about something that's shaking up the financial world right now, the $4 trillion stock market plunge. Yep, you heard that right. $4 trillion wiped off the market in a matter of weeks. And it's not just some random dip. This has been triggered by major political moves, especially the ongoing tariff wars initiated by former President Trump. So, what does that mean for your portfolio? Should you sell? Or is it time to hold strong and ride this out? Let's break it down. First off, we've seen the S&P 500 drop over 8% since February's all-time high, and tech stocks like Tesla lost a mind-boggling $125 billion in a single day. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq is in its first official correction since last December. But here's the kicker. The market's been kind of high for a while now, with valuations still sitting well above historical averages. So what's really going on? Well, all this started when tariffs started to spook investors. The uncertainty around trade relationships with major partners like China, Canada, and Mexico has put markets on edge, and now we're seeing the consequences. Major companies like Delta are slashing earnings forecasts, and even the tech giants are taking a hit. But before you hit sell, let's talk strategy. Here's the deal. If you're seeing red in your portfolio, it's important not to panic. Historically, stock market corrections, though painful, are also opportunities. For the long-term investor, these drops often represent a chance to buy solid companies at a discount. Take the example of Amelia, an investor who watched Tesla drop 15% in a day. At first, she was ready to pull out. But after looking at the fundamentals and knowing the volatility of tech stocks, she decided to hold steady. Fast forward 6 months, and that same Tesla stock is up 20%. The point? Reacting in haste rarely works out. A measured approach, whether it's holding or buying, is often the best course. Now, I'm not saying you should just sit tight without evaluating your situation. The key to making this decision is understanding your investment strategy and goals. Are you in it for the long haul, or do you need liquidity in the short term? If you're just a few years away from retirement, this might be a wake-up call to reassess your risk tolerance. If you're still decades away, this drop could be the perfect time to double down on quality stocks that are now on sale. The uncertainty created by tariffs isn't going anywhere soon, and it's likely the market will continue to swing in the short term. But looking back, some of the most lucrative moments in history came from investors who stayed in the market when others panicked. Warren Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." In other words, take a deep breath and stick to the plan. Of course, every investor's situation is different, and it's crucial to seek personalized advice. Always consult a certified financial professional before making any big decisions with your money. And hey, if this video hit home for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to know how you're navigating these turbulent times. Are you holding or selling? If you found this video valuable, you're going to love what's coming up next. Stay tuned for some more finance insights that'll help you make smarter money moves. See you in the next video. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance.